Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete website link from Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Click on your menu at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click on my profile under the menu, right? And from here, you're going to see your profile and everything. Before you do anything, just go ahead and double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated by going back to your screen and go ahead to your app store Google Play and just double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to it and click edit profile right here on your profile. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see a cover photo and details on everything. Just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see links. Click on edit and you're gonna see any other website if you added like another like website from to your Facebook, and you're gonna see it added like this one, right? You're gonna see right here the websites, and you're gonna see the website address, and you're gonna see it similar to your social media. Now what I'm gonna do, after you add it, you can just hit remove under the website title or address and basically hit save at the top right, and now you just applied that setting. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.